No, it's Thursday. Thursday?
Right.
Yeah, it's Thursday morning here, guys. And yes, as usual, we are inside the car. And we're still in Bataan. We're gonna be heading to SUBIC today. So I'm gonna tour you guys in SUBIC, but before that, we're going to buy our breakfast. Just drive through kasi maaga kaming umalis. So it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, sharp. We live in the house, but we're still in the highway. Going to the Jollibee for breakfast. How you guys doing? So I know you guys has been wanting to see some of the views here in Bataan, but for now we're gonna go out in Bataan, and our paperwork is already here. The travel pass, the medical, and the QR code for coming back into Bataan, because we need QR code coming back to Bataan. So anyway, I'll see you guys later for our tour. And this is Bataan still. We're still in Bataan. Say hi, Daddy.
Yep.
Why did you say hi?
Hi. I'm watching traffic this morning. Got everybody going out to work. Don't want to have a fender bender.
Yes, I'll see you guys in a bit.
Oh, look, passing in front of you.
Wow, that's a nice Jeep.
No one there.
Whoa. We just stopped by here, guys, for a while for our breakfast, but we're not going out. We just only do drive-through. So we're just done eating our breakfast, and this is still Bataan going out to Hermosa. Yes, this is our highway here. This is a private cemetery. Yeah, that one over there. And this is already Abukay. Highway of Abukay. Next to Abukay is Samal, Orani, and Hermosa de Nalupihan. So the road widening again here.
Yeah, bridge is road widening.
Oh yeah.
Didn't know what the hell it's doing this morning.
Okay, going to SUBIC. On the way to SUBIC now. This is the road going to SUBIC, guys. The one you saw earlier, that's the checkpoint going to Bataan. You know, you need to have that QR code. It's amazing. Amazing view.
And we get to try our RFID for the very first time today.
Yeah, for the very first time. This one is going to Clark, guys, and this one is going to SUBIC. It's like USA, right? I remember this tunnel like this in the US.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Look at that view, so amazing. This is why I love traveling. See those houses, guys? That's Olongapo over there. So we will be there maybe 20 minutes, or 30 minutes.
We checked in, now we're going to check out. We have 430 pesos left.
Yeah, they're still working on the road, guys.
Good bridge.
Look at this.
It's pretty close.
This is the bridge. Yeah, wow. I think the tunnel is already done, right? The new tunnel. Here's the new tunnel, guys. They made. See, that's the old one over there. This is the new one. Slow down. Look at that. So the old tunnel will be going there, and then this one is going in. Oh, wow! Wow! There you have it. That's SUBIC over there. Actually, we're already in SUBIC, but you know you can see now the companies and what else? Stores,
Naval Base, Naval Base,
yeah.
warehouses.
There's a lot of changes here because the last time we come here, this road is still working. They're still working on it, but now it's clear, very nice road.
There's McDonald's. He said go to where?
Yeah, we're gonna stop there in.
Is that at McDonald's?
Yeah, she said McDonald's. We're gonna stop first in the gas station. No, not the gas station.
What gas station?
That Petron over there. Yes, we're inside the SUBIC and we're following this guy here in front of us. We're gonna be going to equipment. I always forgot naman. Construction equipment. Ayan. So, I'm gonna be showing you guys in a little while a Japan surplus. Is it a Japan surplus equipment from Japan? Yeah. Construction equipment. Yun pala. Yun, meron dito. Ayan, oh. Marami. Kala ko yun na yun eh. I thought that's all already. Look at this. So this is a auction, but it's gonna be expensive. This one.
Well, I don't know. I don't know how
Look at this old equipment here, guys.
Every month they have an auction. February, end of February is their big auction again.
So those are the equipment that you're going to see in a few minutes. We're here now. There you have it. Oh, this is the one.
Yeah, just about anything you want.
So we're already here
Right, have a little bit of everything.
at the guy.
That's all right.
There's another one there.
Huh?
This is PCM. There's another one there. This is 3 and this is 870.
Uh-huh. Yeah, this is big stuff. Yeah, they're a little smaller, but yeah.
Charlie. Nag-drive. Testing niya.
75 to 80% on all their new tire or on the other, about 90.
Nag-drive si Charlie, guys. Hello. Oh. That's a fluorescent. Ayun yung titingnan natin niya. Yung nandun.
Tsaka meron pa doon isang mali.
Pakita na niya yung baka gusto din.
How about the other one there?
Well, he just wanted to see what you had in big stuff
Oh yeah.
right now.
I will just get the smaller one. Is that an excavator also?
No, that's a
Loader.
wheel loader.
Okay.
Payloader, wheel loader. What do you get for a little help?
That's
I just want a cheap one. Don't have to be cheap.
about 750 to 800.
How much?
750 to 800.
158.
Look at this guys, and it's an ocean over there kasi dyan daw nila niloload or ina-unload ng mga ano nila. Ito mga truck, mga equipment dito lahat. Yan ba ya? Hindi pa natanggal? Daddy, here's the no?
Yeah. Gentleman in the office, but too. It's literally this is how they received it in their truck, so it hasn't been unloaded. But this gives you an idea. It's a pretty fair, decent, nice little Bobcat, mid-size. So
this is another place, guys.
Oh, okay. So you have
Wanted siya dun.
Mawanted siya, di ba?
Kailangan ayusin.
Ang dami oh.
Wali siya. Wala siya dun.
So yes guys, we're just done on the grocery. So galing na din kami doon sa equipment, yung mga construction equipment. So pauwi na kami guys, pero mag-stop muna kami sa aming lunch. Mag-drive through na lang kami kasi it's 12 noon already, 12:15, and it's freaking hot in here.
Mom.
So we're here in McDonald's, guys. This is all we can have. Because I don't want to go down in a restaurant. It takes time for us, and then we're, you know, we need to go home because of Michiko. So yeah, we just grab food in here in McDonald's. And then after here, we're gonna go home. So yan, tapos na kami sa McDonald's, guys. At pauwi na tayo. Ayan. Pa-exit na tayo sa SUBIC. Kain na tayo. Andito na yung aking food. Chicken na lang sa akin. Tsaka yung juice ko. Charlie Burger. Kain. Yes, we're almost home, guys. And we're gonna be dealing with the security and when we enter in Bataan. And we're just done eating our food. And I can't get over on this one, guys. It's so delicious. I'm uploading a video on this one. The peanuts. So yummy. I think I know how to make this. I'm gonna try and make my own. How is it, Daddy? How's your day?
Good day. Had a good day so far.
It's a long day, yeah.
It's been a long morning, but we get to the checkpoint. I'll be happy.
And yeah, we can rest now. It's 1:10, and maybe we're gonna be home by around 2 o'clock. So yeah, it's a good timing when Chico will be wake up. Will be awake, or maybe she's already awake now. So we're finally in Bataan, and in a few minutes we'll be home, guys. See, this is where the tourism, what do you call this one, Daddy?
Bureau of Tourism.
Yeah, Bureau of Tourism.
Bataan Tourism Center.
Yeah, Bataan Tourism Center. You know, when you first visit here in Bataan, then you can check this place and yeah, go inside there and check what's inside. And they have a lot of like Bataan delicacies. Oh, they're doing their road again here on this side. Widening road. This is the one we looked at earlier, huh, Daddy?
Yeah.
Excavator. See, this is their, guys, the Bataan Tourism, yeah. And that's the school, public school, elementary, high school over there. And that's a very big school, guys. The entrance is over there. Yes, we're finally home, and our baby is missing us. We miss our baby, guys. Miss her so much. Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. You want to say hi to them? Say hi to them. Oh, yes. You miss mommy? You miss mommy? Yes. So, yes, we're finally home, guys. And it's almost... it's 2 o'clock. Really sharp. 2 o'clock sharp. And we're finally home. And, yes, I'm going to be resting with Michiko. And Yeah, it's so hot. And yeah, we're gonna end the vlog. And of course, we have to shout out before we're gonna end our vlog. Shout out to Hopi's World, Data Patata, Mel Tampol, Joanna TK, and Easy Lynn. Hi Sisi, thank you for sa yung mga viewers natin dyan sa ibang bansa. Kay Diana Oldfield, and sino pa ba? The Makji family. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And see you in my next video. Bye everybody. You wanna say bye bye? You wanna say bye bye? Bye everybody. See you in my next video. Bye bye.